Exploring the journey from systemic drift to a life-coherent commons, we emphasize the importance of re-nesting instruments in life. Modern crises, from climate disruption to debt dependency, are symptoms of a single systemic drift. These issues highlight the failure of systems to prioritize life. The Great Inversion shows how instruments have become sovereign, detaching from life. The cure lies in civilizational repair, rooting institutions in life ground. Systems must justify themselves to the life ground, ensuring they conserve life value and become external context. The architecture of the commons involves 7 conditions for world-bringing, from ecological grounding to spiritual recovery. The transgenerational covenant expands our moral horizon, emphasizing the importance of inheritance, covenant, and bequest. The re-nesting matrix outlines how various domains can shift from systemic drift to institutional repair, focusing on life-coherent re-nesting. The operating model contrasts dashboard control with field repair, highlighting the importance of transformation through co-ownership and experimentation. Small island states expose the limits of drift, emphasizing the need for a life capital metric that measures real-world resilience and trust. The life coherence test for institutional decisions involves evaluating capacities, ecology, burden, and more to ensure alignment with life ground. A life-coherent world requires saying no to harms and embracing difficult repairs, fostering a grammar of enough.